The Aprilia 125 rupees has long been celebrated as a benchmark in the world of entry-level sport bikes, blending advanced technology, racing-inspired design, and exceptional performance. The latest iteration of this lightweight champion raises the bar even further, incorporating cutting-edge features and enhanced styling to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. At the heart of the Aprilia 125 rupees is its liquid-cooled, 125cc single-cylinder engine, engineered to provide impressive power and responsiveness. Designed with efficiency in mind, this engine delivers smooth acceleration and reliable performance, making it an ideal choice for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts seeking a compact yet capable machine. Its compliance with Euro 5 standards ensures environmentally conscious operation without compromising on thrill. A key highlight of the new 125 rupees is its sophisticated chassis design, inspired by Aprilia's extensive racing heritage. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures exceptional agility, while the high-performance suspension system offers precise handling and stability. This combination makes the bike equally at home on city streets, winding back roads, or even the track. In terms of aesthetics, the new Aprilia 125 rupees boasts a striking design that pays homage to its larger siblings in the Aprilia lineup. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and aerodynamic bodywork give it a dynamic presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Modern LED lighting and updated graphics further enhance its visual appeal, reflecting the brand's commitment to style and innovation. The advanced features of the Aprilia 125 rupees extend to its technology suite. Riders can enjoy a full-color TFT display, providing essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and navigation prompts. The optional Aprilia MIA system offers seamless smartphone connectivity, enabling riders to control calls, music, and navigation directly from the bike's interface. Safety has also been prioritized in the new model, with features such as a dual-channel ABS system for improved braking performance and enhanced control in varying conditions. Paired with high-quality tires and responsive disc brakes, these safety measures inspire confidence for riders of all skill levels. The Aprilia 125 rupees is more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to the world of sport biking. With its impressive blend of performance, technology, and style, it offers an accessible yet thrilling experience for anyone looking to embrace the spirit of two-wheel adventure. Whether you're a budding motorcyclist or a seasoned rider seeking a compact performance machine, the new Aprilia 125 rupees is sure to captivate and excite.